Good morning, it's Wednesday, February the 13th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kandakos. I'm in filling for your regular host, George Cholis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases before the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, as always, we've scoured the headlines. We've got a couple of great press releases for you. 2 from the Canadian side, none from the U.S. Even though we scoured dozens and dozens of OTC companies, there was none that were worthy to make the cut. One last thing before we get into the actual press releases. It's February the 13th, boys. What this should tell you is you have one more day to get something for that significant other. Don't tune in tomorrow when I'm telling you that it is Valentine's Day and you're scrambling. So just a point here from your friends at AGORACOM. First press release I have for you is Explorator Resources, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol EXO. What we have is we have significant high-grade copper oxide mineralization at their El Espino Venus project in Chile. They recently completed 25,000-meter Phase 2 diamond drill program. And again, they demonstrated the results had found significant copper-gold mineralization. They found a significant intercept, which was hole MXC 191, which was 70 meters at 0.99% copper and 0.61% gold. So basically 100 meters, 1% copper, 0.6 grams per ton of gold. Very significant numbers. I've got a quote from one of the principals. We continue to obtain significant oxide copper intercepts from shallow drilling in both the Ravenales and Rachel areas, stated David O'Connor, CEO of Explorator. Evidence of multiple stacked copper-gold mantos in the Rachel area as presented in the multiple intercepts in hole MXC 150 is indicating the possibility of additional resource potential at depth. While this will not be quantified in time for the initial resource estimate, we believe that the additional tonnage potential at open pitable depths, combined with lateral geographical or geological continuity that is being observed, are very encouraging indicators. Now, Explorator Resources is a Canadian-based mining exploration company focused on building a strong position of copper-gold projects in South America. They're last at 101 off their 52-week high of $1.40. Next one I have for you is Lithic Resources. They've got some good numbers that they announced today. They've got 30-meter intercept grading 17.93% zinc at their crypto property. So really good numbers, high concentrations of zinc over 30 meters. Their crypto zinc property is located in western Utah, so great area to be. 2 rigs are currently drilling the property, and approximately 5,900 meters in 8 to 10 holes remain in the current program and are aimed at confirming and expanding the known zinc mineralization. Now, a little bit of history about the property. Various companies have drilled at crypto, and in the early 1990s, Cypress Minerals estimated a resource of 5.4 million tons of sulfide mineralization, grading at 8.7% zinc, and a further 2.8 million tons of near-surface oxide mineralization, grading at 7% zinc. Now, the big caveat here is this is pre-NI 43101, so this previous resource estimate is not to be relied upon until they can come out with the actual authentication as per 43101. Now, they're last at 45 cents off their 52-week high of 78 cents. And now what we've got for you, we've got a new segment that we're introducing on our daily show, which is introducing the halts to everyone so that you can get a jump on them when they do start trading again. So we've only got one halt for you on the TSX Venture today as of now, which is Outlook Resources. It trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol OLR. The company requested the halt as their pending news. Their 52-week high and low, 15 cents is their high, 3 cents is their low, and they're currently trading at 7 cents. So once again, Outlook Resources halted on the TSX Venture. And that's a wrap for today. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow when we've got more great press releases for you and are announcing the halts of the day.